All right, everyone ready? Time to go hide. Let's see who's gonna get found last.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another fun video. Today we are playing another colored door game, guys. And this time it looks like Bluey and her family and friends are hiding in these 6 doors here. So let's see who's gonna be found last. Who do you guys think is gonna be found last? Stay until the end of the video to find out and see if you were right. Before we get started, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, guys. Let's get started. So here we have our colorful keys. Let's match them to the right door, guys. Let's start with the red key here. We need to find the red door. Let's see which one it is. Is this the red door down here, guys? No, doesn't quite match the key here. What about this one over here? No, that one's too light. What about this one up here, guys? This matches the red key. Let's open up and find out if it's the red door. Who are we gonna find first? Who is this, guys? Do you guys know the name of this Bluey character? And here we found Bingo, guys. Did you guys guess Bingo was this character? If you did, give this video a big thumbs up because you guys got it right. This is Bingo, and Bingo is Bluey's little sister. And Bingo looks just like their mom, and Bluey looks just like their dad.
Oh man, I got found first.
That's okay, Bingo. You can help us find the rest of them. All right, guys, here's the yellow key. We need to find the yellow door. Do you guys see it anywhere? Is this the yellow door up here? No, it's a light color door, but not the yellow door. What about this one down here? No, that door is too dark. Let's keep looking. What about this door over here, guys? This matches the yellow key.
Let's see who's behind the yellow door. I see 2 figures. Who are these characters?
All right, guys, we have 2 Bluey characters that we just found. We have Snickers over here. He's a long dog with a long hat. And then we also have Coco here. She looks like a puffy poodle with all pink fur. And these 2 are Bluey's friends. So we found you guys. Okay guys, we're doing great so far. Make sure you guys have subscribed already and hit that big thumbs up button, guys. I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, we have the green key now. Let's find the green door. Is this the green door up here? Nope, doesn't look the same. Oh, what about this one down here? No, that's not it either. I wonder which one it is. Oh, this one over here, guys. This matches the key.
Okay, let's open it and see who's behind the green door. Somebody that's blue.
Here we have Bandit, and Bandit is Bluey and Bingo's dad. Look at Bandit. He looks just like Bluey, guys. They're like twins. Well, we found you, Bandit.
Good job, Daddy. At least you didn't get found first like me.
I suppose you're right, Bingo.
Okay guys, only 3 more doors left. We have the purple key next. Is this the purple door up here? Nope, that's not it. Oh, what about this one down here, guys? This looks the same as the key.
Who did we find behind the purple door?
We found Rusty, guys. Rusty is like this dark orangey color with some yellow, and look, he's got like this diamond on his belly too. 2 more doors left, guys. Where is Bluey? Do you guys know or have a guess of which door Bluey is behind? If so, make sure you guys watch until the end, and let's see if Bluey is gonna be the last person found or if she's gonna be found next. All right, we have the blue colored key here. We need to find the blue door. So where is it, guys? Help me out. Is this the blue door over here? Nope, that's the green door. What about this one up here? No, that was the red door. We opened that one already, didn't we? Oh, guys, I think we found the blue door. This color looks a lot like the key.
Is Bluey gonna be in the blue door, guys? Maybe because Bluey is blue. Oh no, I don't see blue, I see yellow.
Do you guys know who this is? This is a bigger version of Bingo. And this is Chile. Chile is Bingo and Bluey's mom. See, I told you guys. Bingo looks just like her mom.
So that means Bluey won, guys. She's found last.
That's right, Bingo. Bluey is gonna be found last. And there's only one more door left, and that's this orange one right over here at the bottom. Did you guys guess that Bluey was gonna be found last? If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you guys hit that big red subscribe button down below. Let's open up the orange door.
Okay, Bluey, we found you. There she is.
I did it! I did it! I was found last, guys! Woohoo! This was so much fun!
You're right, Bluey. You did do it. You won the game of hide and seek. You were found last. And it really was fun finding all of you guys. Thanks so much for your help at home. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!